All right, what's going on? It's your boy. I need you guys' help. All right. So, as y'all know, I mean, it's been 2 years since I've done a video, but got the boat. I'm working on it. Been working on it for 2 years, trying to figure out why I wasn't starting, why I wasn't running. Come to find out, the person that I bought the boat from had a carb, the lower carb on the boat was from a 1970 something, and it didn't belong on this 1985 something. Anyway, so upon further inspection, I was looking and I noticed that. All right, so no, what's that called? A push-up tube, pickup tube, something like that. So yeah, it's gone. It's not in there. So I ordered a new one, a new used carb. I got it on there. Checked the fuel system, changed the fuel, did the ratio, made the ratio, the oil to fuel ratio was correct. Haven't really messed with any adjustments. This is what I'm getting. All right, now that right there, that feels like it's the battery. So hold on one second. We gonna make some changes. Oh, good Lord, have mercy. All right, so I'm gonna change the battery. So this is the battery that I'm currently cranking off of, is the battery that I use for the, or would like to use for the accessories. If I could ever get the boat on the water for longer than 7 minutes. But this is the one I use for the accessories. The one for the start is in. I'll be right back. All right, got you on the charger. And we're gonna take you red over here. Why is it so complicated? Anyway, so I've been trying to figure out why it's not starting. It's not fuel pressure. I checked all my filters, even checked the inline fuel filter and checked the one that connects to the side of the motor. That seems to be working properly. I am literally at a loss for trying to figure out what it is that is keeping this motor from starting. I broke both my old and the new carb down, cleaned them out, blew them out, cleaned them out, and still nothing. All right, so we got the new battery on there. Let's see what we get. Hit a little of the So I am at a loss. I know it's getting fuel. That I know I'm gonna pump the ball up again just to make sure. All right, so that's good. Fuel filter is good. Fuel filter is good. Nothing, no dirt, junk in there. It pees when it runs. It's just the getting it to run part. I got the primer thing set to auto, not on manual. Right. It's like it wants to start, but it won't. And then I get that. So please help me out. 1985 Evinrude 2-stroke. If you got any ideas, help me out.